Origin and nature of entrepreneurship. We have evolution of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship originated in Europe, sometimes in the Middle Ages. Entrepreneur originated from the French word entreprendre, which means to undertake. Entrepreneurship is the ability of the individual to determine and come up with the proper combinations of the resources available in his environment and transform these into an output of either goods or services and obtain a fair profit at the price the entrepreneur set. Next, we have contemporary views on entrepreneurship. First, we have John Baptiste Say, 1800s. Entrepreneurship refers to the shifting of economic resources out of an area of lower and into higher productivity yield. Carl Menger, 1871. Entrepreneurship involves obtaining information, calculations, and act of will and supervision. Harvey Liebenstein, 1970. Entrepreneurship is the reduction of organizational inefficiency. Joseph Schumpeter, 1910. Entrepreneurship is, in its essence, the finding and promoting new combinations of productive factors. Israel Kirzner, 1975. Entrepreneurship is identification of market arbitrage opportunity. Albert Shapiro, 1975. Entrepreneurship involves a kind of behavior that includes initiative taking, organizational, and recognizes social mechanism to turn resources and situations to practical account and the acceptance of the risk and failures. Carl Visper, 1980. Entrepreneurship is the dynamic process of creating an incremental wealth. W. Ed McMullan and Wayne A. Long, 1990. Entrepreneurship is the building of new growth organization. Howard Stevenson, 1992. Entrepreneurship is the pursuit of opportunity beyond the resources currently under one's control. Jeffrey Timmons, 1994. Entrepreneurship is the ability to create and build a vision from practically nothing. Peter Drucker, 1998. Entrepreneurship is the process of starting one's own new business and small business. It is also the process of innovation and new venture creation through four major dimensions: individual, organizational, environmental, process aided by collaborative networks in government, education, and institutions. Robert Hisrich, 2001. Entrepreneurship involves the creation process, requires the devotion of the necessary time and effort, assumes the accompanying financial, physical, and social risks, and receives the resulting rewards of monetary and personal satisfaction and independence. Now we have entrepreneurship as a process and as an approach. We have an approach. The entrepreneur considers the opportunity to solve the problem rather than solving the problem itself. We have process. Entrepreneurship is a dynamic process of innovation and new venture creation through the five dimensions. We have individuals, organizations, environment, process, and institutions. The Filipino entrepreneur. Findings in the 2006 Global Entrepreneurship Monitor or GIM Research Consortium, 4 out of 10 adult Filipino are engaged in business. About half are in the early stage entrepreneurial activity. Total early stage activity or TEA. 19.7% comprise the country's established business. Mindanao has the higher TEA while Northern Luzon has the lowest. Most of the business are in consumer-oriented with 35%, face stiff competition 75%, lack novelty 71%, lack new technology 67%, not employing 63%, and not exporting 77%. Only 8 out of 10 have discontinued a business in the past 12 months. Only 34% have dealings with banks. Only 17% who receive remittances use them to finance business. And only 1% are non-owner investors. We have the challenges to entrepreneurs. First is borderless world. Globalized trading system. The Filipino entrepreneur who used to develop and market products locally is now faced with local competition with both Filipino and foreign products and services which are now available in the market. The Filipino entrepreneurs has to contend with casting out the colonial mentality of the local market with its preferences for imported goods. The Filipino entrepreneurs have the chance of developing and marketing export quality products owing to various incentives and support available. Now we have cyberspace or information highway. The resurgence and constantly improving information technology sector is a development to watch and its benefit for entrepreneurs to grab and exploit. By exploiting the benefits of information technology and the various software available in the market, one can easily network with the foreign markets. The proliferation of computers, both in offices and households, has revolutionized business, operations, and system, allowing every place practically a base for business operations. Next, we have entrepreneurship and Philippine education. The inclusion of entrepreneurship education at the secondary level, vocational courses or subjects, and books at the secondary level include chapters dealing with entrepreneurship. Courses leading to specialization on entrepreneurship or major area of study subsumes under the course leading to a degree in business management or business administration. The Council of Management Educators or COM, comprising of academicians, has some way acknowledged entrepreneurship as part of the management education. The Society for Entrepreneurship Education Incorporation or SEED has come into the arena of further promoting entrepreneurship education both in formal and non-formal sectors, and a number of entrepreneurs themselves who continually talk it and unwillingly share their experiences and expertise, hoping that the doers and believers of entrepreneurship will multiply in number. The Commission on Higher Education, or CHED, has pushed the formal integration of entrepreneurship education pursuant to Republic Act No. 7722 as embodied Memorandum Order No. 17, CMO No. 17, Series of 2005, Curriculum Requirement for Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship or BS Entrepreneurship. Next, we have socio-economic benefits of entrepreneurship. First, promotes self-help and employment. Second, mobilized capital. Third, provides taxes to economy. Fourth, empowers individual. Fifth, enhances national identity and pride. Seventh, enhances competitive consciousness. 8. Improve quality of life. 9. Enhance equitable distribution of income and wealth. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.